That was nice.
Yeah.
What do we call it? We call it the autopilot. I call it the autopilot because it's an auto harp.
Yes.
But yeah.
This is an auto harp made by the company Oscar Schmidt. It's like they basically have a monopoly on the auto harp industry. So the auto harp has its origins in Europe, specifically in Germany, because zithers like this, where you'd pluck individual strings, have existed for a while. But in Germany, they developed a system where they've attached these, I don't know if you can see them, but they've attached these foam kind of rubber things to the button. So when you press a button, it mutes the relevant strings. So you can play different chords depending on the button that you press. But if you just play the strings, it's very...
yeah, it's everything.
Yeah, it's very discordant. So it's kind of been a debate in some circles as to whether you can truly play traditional Shona music with playing chords. And I don't know. I feel like this it works quite well.
You saw us. So I'm holding Nyunga Nyunga. It's a John Fumogena extension with 21 keys. Yeah, and we were playing and it was working perfectly fine. I mean, I get the idea that the music is quite polished if you put a chord to it, you know?
Yeah.
It sounds...
To me, the way I think about it, the auto harp sounds, they kind of go and fill in some gaps.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. So that like, they just like, it adds some volume, if I can put it like that.
An extra layer.
An extra layer to the Mbira music. That you can end up, I mean, you can achieve the same thing, but you need quite a few Mbira players to do that.
Yeah.
And because you are playing all these different strings at once, and the genius thing is, depending on where you focus your strumming, you could play kind of bass-ish.
The low end, yeah. The mids and the highs.
So you could have like a whole song where you're just... depending on where you focus
your focus. Yeah, this is we included this one because we are saying you don't have a limit to play African music just based on African instruments.
Exactly.
Incorporate other instruments and you will definitely make a beautiful sound. We are Africa, you are Africa, and I'm definitely from and am Africa. Till next time, it's bye-bye for now.